Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I'm putting a fuse block on the Willys. I temporarily put this wire on to bring it inside. It was going to rain.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
Yep.
I got these fuse blocks from Dorman. There's actually a trick to these. You know what they are? I go by the wire coming out of the fuel pump we'll use because that's the part itself.
Right.
And that is 16 gauge. And the fuse block is 16 gauge too. If you're going to use 14 gauge,
it's a thicker wire.
Which is a thicker wire.
Right.
Instead of burning out the fuse, it's going to burn out the part itself, the fuel pump.
Well, not to mention, you're going to have the wrong size fuse on top of it all will be in there too. So.
Right.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure you got the same size wire that is the part you're using, basically.
That's right.
So 16 gauge wire requires a 7.5 fuse. So I'm gonna go get a 7.5 fuse. And before I do that, there's two different kinds of fuse blocks. You have the push-in, they're square looking, obviously.
Yeah.
And then you have the twist-on, they're round. See? I'm gonna be using this one today.
You usually keep piles
we
of
have
these
piles of these
in the back. We
Yeah.
keep them in stock. So.
Yeah, we have piles of these. So let me go get a 7.5 fuse.
Knock it out.
This is my fuse drawer. See? I put what size amp on the inside itself. I need a 7.5. Got it right here. First things first, we're gonna take this off that I put on outside. There we go. Here's the fuse block. You put the fuse in here like this. Pushes in here, like that, and then it has a cover on it to insulate it, just like this. See? So now, we're going to solder this on. Just like that. See? Okay? Now I'm going to put my heat shrink tape on. Alright, next, after you solder, I'm going to put the shrink tape on it. And yes, I did drain the gas out of the system. So now, you put on 50-50 on both wires. Alright, now, we're going to put the fuse in, put the cover on, and we're going to see if it works. Alright, now, I'm just going to try it now, but I'm going to wire tie it to somewhere secure, but I'm just going to test it out right now. Alright, let's see if it works.
I hear it.
It works.
It's very quiet. Good. Go ahead, hit the key and see if it starts up and everything. Then you got to put wire ties and some electrical tape.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, go ahead. There you go. See? You got your fuel pump's working now. It's nice and safe. You know what I mean? Beautiful.
That's beautiful.
See? Now you got to check it if in case maybe the fuel pump's not working. You pop this open, check the fuse like a human being.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? Not like a caveman. What's going on? You're pulling your freaking hair out. You don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
This is good.
This is beautiful.
Now you just got to secure it to the side, make everything look professional, nice and neat, right? And you'll be all set.
And thanks to Dorman for making the job easy and professional, right?
That's what I would say.